Replacing this older Amana with a York coil. Reusing the line set, and this is an 80%er. We're going to vent the new furnace up and out. Here's the old AC. This is the old York. We're gonna slide the new one over because you noticed dryer vents right here. That's no good. No good. Nobody's seen that before, but I'm gonna do the right thing and slide it over. There's the AC. We slid it over, and then there's our vents all sealed up, ready to go.